Hello, if you're interested in seeing what I got this month from my monthly subscription box service from BOXYCHARM and IPSY, please keep watching. So what I'm going to do is start with the IPSY bag, or IPSY subscription first. So I'm going to open it up. First thing in it, like they always put, is a card. Talking about swoon so hard. Clearly for Valentine's Day, probably, right? For February, right? So we're going to talk about what's in this box. Well, I'm sorry. It's like an envelope. So let me just go ahead and show you. Alright. Well, first thing I see, and it's not even inside the makeup bag. It is a brush. It's a, let me look on the thing. It's a Fair Brushes Powder Brush 50F. Its brand is known for luxe brushes that won't break the bank. Versatile enough to apply setting powders, bronzers, and blush. This brush has super soft bristles that blend colors smoothly and evenly. Oh, let me take it out of the... Oh, that's pretty. And you see how they got the little net on it to, you know, to protect it. But that's what it looks like. It's pretty. Took that shit all the way off. Anyway. Oh. That's a cute bag. It's looks like red lip, pink lips. Makeup bag. So let's open this up and see what's in it. So first thing I see is by Elemis. It's a superfood facial wash. And Elemis products are crafted by a team of scientists and skincare experts who believe in the power of natural ingredients, fortified with nourishing avocado and kale. Your skin will slurp up the good stuff in this face wash like we do a healthy smoothie. Okay? Now I have the moisturizer from this same brand, which I got out of BOXYCHARM. Probably a couple subscriptions back, but I'm not gonna open this up. This face wash, and remember, IPSY, you get sample sizes, so just in case anybody's wondering, oh, you know, why is it so small? But it's 0.6 ounces. Alright, next. Okay. Next is Glam Glow. Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer Nude Glow. Basically what this does is it's infused with iridescent illuminating pearl particles. It blurs your skin, reflects light, and gets your gorge on in no time flat. Now, I'm not that all psyched. I like it, don't get me wrong, but I already have this. I received it, I think I got it as a free gift for something else. So I already have one of these. It's bigger, but I ain't mad because I actually do like it. But hey, I get to use another sample size before I decide if I want to pay full price for a full size. But anyway, again, it's in Nude Glow. That's the color. It's like a kind of a universal shade. Ooh. Okay, we can just see. Next, this is Hey Honey Trick and Treat Moisturizing CC Cream. This brand uses the power of honey and propolis to create soothing, skin-loving formulas. Case in point, this multi-purpose color correcting cream evens out your skin and leaves it glowy and gorgeous. Look, I already have oily skin. I don't need no shit making it glowy. But anyway, I'm still going to use it. It's a way you can still use these. But anyway, like I said, oh, this is a light to medium tone. Let me open this up. See See if I can swap. Oh, I ain't gonna do it. It's not even open right now, which is cool because I ain't ready to use this yet. Now, lastly, in this bag is sample size of it's LAQA and Company. This is Prickly Pear pH Gloss, and you know what pH means. What it does is it the color adjusts to the temperature of your lips. So basically, it gives you a unique color. So no two people will have the same color. It just goes off of your. It's a formula adjusts to your skin's pH levels, enhancing or softening its pink undertones to create your own custom shade. Now, the way they suggest you wear it is swipe a coat of the color on your bare lips or layer over your favorite lip colors to give them a glam, glossy pink sheen. First of all, when I saw that pink, I was like, oh, first of all, I love pink. And it's just such a bright color. But again, it's not going to actually show up like this. See, it is sheer. And again, if you put it on your lips, it's going to, you know. Anyway, so that was it for IPSY. So now, let's see what's in BOXYCHARM. And I ain't gonna lie, I already looked at BOXYCHARM and I was quite disappointed, and you will see soon. See why in a moment. But of course, you get the card. Hope you can see this. My bad for the blinding. Anyway, it's Afterglow. So let's go ahead and look what's in here. Okay, I'll show you this first. Sol de Janeiro. And what this is a Coco Cabana cream, which instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil and water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. Deliciously scented with their Charosa 39 fragrance with mouth-watering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this is $20. So technically, this paid for the box. I always want to try one of theirs because they had the other one, that Bum. I think it's called the Bum Bum something. But anyway, so this is cool that I got. Oh yes, you can smell the coconut in it. You know what it smells like? Well, we know because that's got coconut too. A macaroon. But anyway, you see that gel-like texture? I love these type, because I got oily skin, so I love these type of face moisturizers. Looking forward to using it. I'm sorry, did I just say face? Shit. It's not a face moisturizer, y'all. It's for your body. My bad. But you know what? Let me double check. Shit. I do believe this is a body. Yep, it says it body cream. I wanted to make sure. I'm like, oh shoot. Okay, I was pissed because I already have this one and I have no one to give it to. But this is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. It creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem. Yeah, they say pore. You know, it's in your pores. It's a light, silky texture that blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And it retails at $18, manufacturer retail. I already have one, but I will tell you this. I do love it. It works. So if you have pores, I suggest you get this. But you want to like tap it in. You don't want to like rub it, but you want to tap it in to your problem areas on your face before you put your foundation on. And it definitely works if you have oily skin. No worries. I might have to go on the website to see, because I threw my box out from my original one I had, as far, because I think it's silicone based. I'd have to look that up, but I think it is. But anyway, nonetheless, I like this. That's a glass bottle too, just in case you was wondering. And there is a pump. Next is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so basically what their claims for this is, oh, that was my phone. It sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes into a perfect curl. I believe it's, yeah, it gives it volume. That's what it curls and gives it volume with each coat or whatever, you know. I've tried this before in the, you know, like sample size, travel size, whatever like that, and I like it. So I'm glad I got the full size, because to be honest, I was not trying to drop on coins on the full one, because the price for this, it manufactures at $24. Pretty steep for a damn mascara, but hey, if I like it, you know that saying, you get what you pay for. Okie dokie. Now, I actually already swatched this myself, but I'll swatch it for y'all to see as well. This is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. It's a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. And this one also is $24. And remember, everything I'm showing you, y'all, is full price. I already took off the, in case y'all wonder, it had a seal and everything, but shoot, I already tried it. But y'all, it goes on, it glides on, y'all. Hope you can see that. There you go. I like it. I can't wait to use this. Woo. And lastly, the one item that truly pissed me the fuck off. Pretty vulgar. You want to know why I got pissed off? But let me read you out what the fuck this was supposed to be. Okay? Oh, here you go. Pretty vulgar. Bronzed Bee Bronzer. This is a vegan matte bronzing powder. Gives your skin a natural radiant looking finish. Enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments, this bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. And this fucker retails for $32. Yes, the fuck I said that. Because I'm pissed. If you have not noticed, this fucker came shattered. This shit was all over in the box. It's even getting on my damn desk now. I called myself repurposing it the best I could, because the way you do, I'm sorry, repressing it is you add some alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, whatever. But look at, clearly it don't look like it would look if it came unshattered. And from what I heard and been seeing, a lot of other people made the same complaint. So BOXYCHARM, if you watching this, you need to send all of us a new one. This makes no fucking sense that this fucker came shattered and the shit was even all in the box and stuff. But you see that? It's a bronzer. I've never been that big on bronzers anyway, but it ain't too dark. It ain't too dark. But look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Because when it's shattered, so it got all, it's no mirror in here. And it got all in there. Look at that. Just a fucking mess. And this is the most expensive thing in this fucking box. For $32. I always want to try something of theirs, but yeah, of course the packaging is cute, but it's cheap. This is like, look, some type of plastic. How the fuck are they even charging $32 for this shit? Okay, ran over. But I was very disappointed. I was not, to be honest, I'm not impressed with this month's box. I'm going to just keep it real. So I tell you what. Next month I'm supposed to get the Boxy Luxe, which is supposed to be even more items and, you know, a little higher end, whatever. But I'm pissed with this. I'm not satisfied at all. I didn't care for nothing in this motherfucking box like that except for this damn nude stick and the body cream. That's it. But this was a big disappointment for the simple fact that the fucker came completely shattered and made a mess inside of the box. What is the purpose of putting these in there? What the fuck did it protect? Nothing. Anyway. Thank y'all for watching. Put your thoughts below. Did y'all also, anybody, did you receive it? Did you receive this? Did yours come shattered? Please share that below. What are your thoughts? Did you get IPSY or BOXYCHARM? Did you get some different items in your month subscription this month? Because I know everybody does not get the same thing. So please go ahead and comment that below. And I'll see y'all next video. Take care.